invisible to radar, faster than 5 times the speed of sound, capable of striking anywhere on Earth before defenses can react. Hypersonic missiles are not just weapons, they're the future of war. Today, we uncover how hypersonic missile work, its types, and weapon who's leading the race, and why it could change warfare forever. Imagine a world where a missile can strike any target, anywhere, in minutes, with no defense. That's the terrifying reality hypersonic missiles could bring. Are we on the brink of a new arms race that will fundamentally shift global power dynamics? How hypersonic missiles work and his 3 types are given below. A hypersonic missile is any missile or projectile that can travel at speeds above Mach 5, meaning 5 times the speed of sound. Types of hypersonic missiles. One type is hypersonic glide vehicles. HGVs launched atop a ballistic missile to high altitudes, 30-80 km. After booster separation, the glide vehicle re-enters the atmosphere and glides toward its target using aerodynamic lift to maneuver unpredictably. Second is hypersonic cruise missiles. HCMs powered by scramjet engines throughout flight. Operating at lower altitudes, 20-40 km, a rocket booster accelerates the missile to Mach 3+ before the scramjet takes over, using atmospheric oxygen to sustain combustion. Third one is aeroballistic missiles. Dropped from aircraft and accelerated by a rocket, following a ballistic trajectory with limited maneuverability. E.g. Russia's Kinzhal. Hypersonic missiles attack speed and maneuverability. Hypersonic missiles strike with minimal warning, traveling at speeds of Mach 5 to Mach 20, 3,800 to 15,000 mph. Their ability to change course mid-flight makes them hard to track and intercept. Payload delivery. They can carry conventional or nuclear warheads, targeting high-value assets like aircraft carriers, command centers, or infrastructure. The short reaction time leaves defenders little chance to respond. Evasion tactics. Their low-altitude flight compared to ICBMs and a maneuverability bypass most missile defense systems, which are designed for predictable ballistic trajectories. Destabilizing impact. The ambiguity of whether a hypersonic missile carries a nuclear or conventional warhead can escalate conflicts, as adversaries may assume the worst and respond disproportionately. Speed of hypersonic missiles baseline. Speed. Hypersonic missiles travel faster than Mach 5, 3,800 mph, or 6,174 km/s, roughly 1 mile per second. Top 3 countries that have advanced hypersonic missiles. Russia, missiles, Avangard, HGV, Mach 20, nuclear capable, 6,000 km range. Kinzhal, aeroballistic, Mach 10, 2,000 km. Zircon, HCM, Mach 9, 1,000 km. Status, operational since 2019, Avangard Kinzhal, and 2023, Zircon. Kinzhal combat tested in Ukraine. Strengths, first to deploy, nuclear focus, ship and air-launched options. Weaknesses, guidance issues due to plasma at high speeds, limited Kinzhal maneuverability. China, missiles, DF-17, DF-ZF, HGV, Mach 10-15, 1,800 to 500 km, B-21, Mach 8-10, 500 km. Status, operational since 2019, DF-17, YJ-21 deployed on ships. Strengths, high precision, dual warhead capability, anti-access strategy. Weaknesses, limited transparency on performance, reliance on regional focus. United States, missiles, common hypersonic glide body, CHGB, HGV, Mach 6.58, 1.25 miles, Mach 8, range unknown, Ardu HGV testing, status testing with fielding plan for 25, CHGB, and 27, Chaikin strengths, heavy investment, 39B and 20s, conventional focus, AUKUS collaboration. Weaknesses, behind in deployment, test failures analysis. Russia, leads in operational deployment with Avangard and Zircon already fielded. Kinzhal, while less advanced, has been combat tested in Ukraine. Russia emphasizes nuclear-capable systems, enhancing deterrence but raising escalation risks. China, advanced in HGV technology, DEF-17, DEF-ZIBAF, with a focus on precision and anti-access area denial strategies, particularly in the South China Sea. China's systems are versatile, carrying both conventional and nuclear warheads. United States lags in deployment but invests heavily, $3.9 billion in 2026 budget. The U.S. focuses on conventional warheads and joint Army-Navy programs like CHGB. Delays and test failures, e.g., ARRW, have slowed progress, but fielding is planned for 2025, Dark Eagle. Strategic implications. Russia and China's operational systems give them a temporary edge, but the U.S. benefits from collaborative development, e.g., AUKUS and robust testing infrastructure. All three face challenges in countering hypersonic threats as current defenses are inadequate. Conclusion: hypersonic missiles represent a significant technological leap, combining speed, maneuverability, and stealth to challenge existing defenses. While Russia and China have fielded operational systems, the U.S. is catching up with substantial investments. The War Dragon moniker reflects their fearsome potential, but their high cost and technical complexity limit mass production, and their strategic impact may not surpass existing ballistic missiles. The arms race is intensifying, with global stability at stake due to the difficulty in distinguishing warhead types and the lack of effective